If you want to stop feeling anxious by the things that are out of your control, if you have ever wondered how to let go of worries over the things that are out of your control, then watch this video. In this video, I will share with you the only anxiety advice you need to hear. Now, it is natural to worry about the unknown and what lies ahead. But the truth is that dwelling on the things that you cannot change will only bring you more worries, more stress and anxiety. People, children with anxiety feel a need to control everything around them in order to feel safe, to feel at peace. I know this because I have struggled with anxiety. People, children who struggle with anxiety, they might not trust anyone else to handle things the way they will. Children, adults who struggle with anxiety, they have a strong need to control everything. But what they don't realize, what they don't see is that worrying for the things that are out of their control every single day will only cause more worries, will only make them feel more anxious. The good news is that we can retrain our mind. If until this moment we had trained our mind to focus on the worries, we can retrain the mind. It is in our control. We can retrain the mind to focus on the things that we do have power over. We can control, rather than focusing on the things we cannot change, shift, or control. So, we need to work on shifting the focus to the things that we cannot control, to things that we can control. It's all about taking the control of your mindset and realizing that your focus, your thoughts have a direct impact on your life. Letting go of control is not easy. I know it is hard. I have been there. In times of uncertainty, people feel safer when they have a sense of control. And this often leads to attempts to control outcomes, situations, other people's reactions, or the environment. The more uncertain the situation, the more people cling to attempt the control. The problem is we cannot know for sure what life will bring us. To experience the greatest sense of calm, peace of mind, we need to change the focus. We need to work on building our confidence, on building our resilience, on training the mind to think more helpful thoughts. You see, we cannot control what happens outside of us. We cannot control events, situations, people. But we can control what happens inside of us. The only thing you do have control over is your responses, your mindset, your attitude. If you choose to let go of the things you cannot control, you will see that in time, your confidence in yourself will increase. You will experience more days of freedom. Your life will start to change in all areas. But for this, you need to stop fighting. Stop fighting with yourself. Stop fighting with the universe and the natural flow of things. Think about it this way. If you keep thinking the same negative thoughts, if you keep focusing on the what if negative scenarios, you will keep getting the same negative results, the same negative feelings. But if you change your focus, if you change your thoughts to be more helpful, more positive, more proactive, you will start seeing positive changes in your life. I know, it sounds very simple, but this is what we need to do. This is what you need to do. So the next time you catch yourself worrying about something that's out of your control, work on shifting your focus. You need to be patient. You need to be consistent. It will take time to retrain your mind, but you can do it. You can do this. I hope this video was helpful to you. I hope that you understand you have power only over you. You cannot control things outside you. So work on changing your mindset, your focus, your thoughts. Work on changing your focus to the things that are out of your control to things that are in your control. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I will see you next time.